Because the cattail has so many edible and useful parts, it has been called the supermarket of the swamp. Here is a typical patch at the water's edge. Here is another patch growing in a drying creek bed that helps us see the growth pattern of the plant. Between each of these clumps is a large underground root. When these roots are young, they can be washed and eaten raw or cooked, or sliced and dried to make a vegetable jerky. The older roots can be crushed, then mixed in a container of water. The starch, after it's allowed to settle, can be used for flour. The inner stalks of the young shoots that have not yet sent up seed heads can be peeled back to the white part and eaten like celery. The base of these young shoots can also be peeled, cooked, and eaten somewhat like a potato. The young seed heads at the top of the stalks can also be eaten raw or cooked. When the pollen matures, it can be collected and eaten raw or used as flour. The fluff from the mature seed heads makes good insulation and can also be added to tinder bundles for fire starting. Even after the tops of the plants have died back in winter, the long, thin leaves can be gathered and used for bedding, woven together to make mats for blankets, or used as thatching for shelters. If the leaves are split down into thin strips, they can be twined to make cordage. And of course the leaves are good material for basket weaving.